Zed, welcome back, guys. So I'm here with supplies. You can check out Cummins alternator, 28 volt at 80 amps, and there's a vehicle. So 14 volt, 500 watts could be. I'm not correct in it, like watch. Could be like 45 or 80, 45 to 50 amps.
No, you said?
Oh, that's
Hello, how are you?
this is your plugs. And there's 28 volt, 35 amps. At 28 centiamps. 28 volt centiamps.
Do you have these details?
Yeah, I have. Only you came on Monday, ne?
Yes.
Monday.
You can read, take it down again.
We want to check your name and then
Okay.
the right that you take it something.
Okay, thank you. So according to organizer needs to get authorized signature paperwork be done to take this with me.
Is this one?
Yes. So basically it's all 28 volts, right? And 14 volts. From 50 amps up to 80 amps alternator diesel. So you can take. So as I said earlier on, the alternator series, right? Like if you want to order more,
Monday or
Monday.
Monday.
Monday. And that's how they measure, how they will sort each component on printer. That's your status, the coil is, and that's your rotor. And this is how that factor. I will leave a link at bottom for the contact details. And amount is can be the agent. So when you guys need any assistance, do drop a comment on my link. We will handle this alternative.
We need to take your details.
And that you can see the paperwork being sorting out. That's why I'm taking it with me. Yes. And that's my organized agent. An agent, my boss.
In your company, what are you? What are you? Director.
Um, engineering. Engineering.
Oh. You're so humble.
So I'm quite interested in this.
These are 5 kV. And these are new type of design on solar panel. It's called a polar panel. And there's another unit that is 500. I would say 0.5 kV, under 1 kV. And it has a smart charging system on the top itself. That is